In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a drop-down list in LibreOffice Calc. Drop-downs are a great way to keep your spreadsheets clean, consistent, and easy to use. They help prevent typos, standardize entries like categories or statuses, and make data analysis more reliable. Start by launching LibreOffice Calc. If you already have a spreadsheet you want to work on, open that document. If not, you can practice in a new one and apply the same steps later to your real file. Decide where you want the drop-down to appear. Click a single cell if you want one drop-down, or drag to select a range if you want multiple cells to share the same list. You can even select an entire column if every row will use the same options. Just make sure you don't include your header cell if you have one. Next, go to the top menu and choose Data. From there, click Validity. This opens the settings that control what the selected cells will accept, and it's the feature Calc uses for drop-down lists. In the Validity dialog, go to the Criteria tab. This is where you define the rule that controls the allowed values. In the Allow menu, choose List. That tells Calc you want to restrict entries to a specific set of items. Now, look for the Entries box. Type each option you want available in the drop-down on its own line. For example, you might enter Pending on one line, In Progress on the next, and Done on another. Press Enter after each item so they appear as separate lines. Avoid commas here. Individual lines are what create the separate choices. If you already have your options written somewhere else, you can copy them and paste them directly into this box, as long as they're one per line. Make sure the option labeled Show Selection List is checked. This ensures a small arrow appears in the cell so users can click and choose from the list instead of having to type. When you're happy with the entries, click OK. Back in your sheet, click one of the cells you configured. You should see the drop-down arrow. Click it to reveal your list and pick an item. If someone tries to type something that isn't on the list, Calc will block it based on these rules. If you ever need to update the choices, just return to Data, then Validity, and adjust the Entries box. And that's it. You've created a clean, reliable drop-down list in LibreOffice Calc, ready to streamline your data entry and reduce errors.